out of work. There we have it, guys. So it's very, very simple. Like I said, this kit that Fusion 5 makes, it's made for consumers, people to do it. So you don't need to go to go to a shop or anything like that to be able to have your own ceramic coating. The one thing that you do have to do before you do this is make sure everything is stripped off of the paint, wheels, whatever. Just so, you know, like wax, anything like that. So make sure you get a degreaser. One of the stuff that was recommended to me was Dawn soap, and honestly it worked very well. Everything became rough, very, very rough. And then after that you make sure it's clean, and then you would apply the ceramic. See that reflection? This is some really, really good stuff. In that 8-ounce bottle, you can do up to 3 cars, or what I've done was, I did my entire car. I didn't do the entire car a second time because I know I'm gonna get it wrapped, so I'm not gonna put a heavy layer on it. But I've done multiple layers on my carbon, my wheels, even my windows. When it rains, everything just beads right off. I don't have to use my wipers. If I decide to say, hey, I'm gonna rinse my car off, get on the highway 5 minutes, boom, everything's off. The longer you wait, the longer you let this cure, the smoother and shinier it gets. Minimum is 24 hours before you get it wet. So if you're gonna do this, make sure you check the weather. For this product here, I'm gonna link Fusion 5 like always in my bio in the description below, and also the exact link to the quick spray that I used and the carbon ceramic. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful. Give a comment, like down the bottom, and also if you can help me out, definitely subscribe. Peace. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm going to link my boy's description down below in his Facebook page. Give him a follow, give him a like, hit him up if you're in the New Hampshire area, or even down in, maybe possibly down in Mass as well. Does really good work, and he really did a fantastic job with my car. Thanks again, guys. And also don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe. You know, anything would greatly be appreciated. Thanks a lot. On to the next one.